Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sukhwinder Singh, a registered professional engineer in Saskatchewan, Canada. Today we are going to discuss the most important part of the professional engineer's journey, that is writing competency examples. Stay tuned for full video to understand the easiest method to write these examples. I have used this method in writing my competency examples and have successfully qualified them. Now I will explain you the step-by-step method on how to write your competency examples for work experience reporting. Always remember 3 steps before writing an example. Number 1 is what you did in that project or situation. Second is how you did that. And third is why you did that in a specific way. Remember 3 things: what, how, and why. Now we will go through a generic example in which we are designing a cooling system for a control room. In this, the major focus is on the action item, and the action item you have to remember 3 things, and the first step is what you did in that project. So first would be I was the mechanical engineer in charge for the project, and second thing is how you did that, and in that you can write I collected the details of the area that needed the cooling system by going through the layout drawings and also confirming the measurements by physical measurement through physical space verification. I calculated the total heat load that is expected from the area as per ASHRAE guidelines. In this, you have answered the second question, that is how you did that. Now the third step is why you did that in a specific way, and you will answer like, based on the heat load, I had calculated the cooling unit capacity requirements. I provided these requirements to the supplier and requested quotes for a unit meeting these specs. The supplier came back with 3 options. I chose the cooling unit that best fits my requirements criteria with 10% additional capacity for future need. In this example, we have answered all 3 things which I mentioned earlier, like what, how, and why. So that's how I wrote all my examples when I was filing my competency exam work experience reporting. So this is the easiest method here you can use to write your examples. Then the result, in the result column you will write the cooling system was installed in the control room and the operators were super happy with the results. That's how you will write your competency examples. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy engineering.